Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Bird. Come with me. Let's check out my local fabric store in Baltimore, Maryland, Handcraft Happy Hour. Let's take a look in. It is conveniently located, guys, off of 83 and also off of the light rail. And there is plenty of parking. There's parking on the other side of the building as well, so you don't have to worry about that. There is Jenny, and Jenny is the owner. And Jenny, you've been here about a year now?
1 year.
Wow, so amazing. I am so super sad that this is my first time getting an opportunity to visit, but it will not be my last. So let me take you through all of the wonderful things that Jenny has in this gorgeous location. Again, it is super easy to get to. Lots of different embroidery things. Just look at that. Really pretty. Tons of fabric, all different colors. Let me zoom out so you can get a really great look. Look at that gorgeous quilt. So unique. I love that. Someday I'll get into quilting if I can sit still long enough to figure out how to do it. I'm like, I have to make my next thing. Gorgeous pieces. And she also has patterns here. She likes to focus on size inclusive patterns, which I really love. I've actually made a couple of the Friday pattern company items, and I do love them. And then she also has some closet core and some others as well. I'm going to tell you guys right now that this fabric is calling my name. So I'm definitely going to have to pick that up. Look at the gorgeous colors. Definitely see that in a dress or a gorgeous blouse. And then she has a notions corner. It's so good to be able to get in your car and actually drive to a fabric store, notion store, where you can actually touch the fabric so you know exactly what you are getting. Look at how gorgeous this is. And it is so soft. There are couches so you can kind of come out and hang out if you want to read a book. Zippers. Look at that. Singer company. You guys know I am a singer Foff girl. A number of different garment fabrics. This one is really gorgeous. I think she told me this came from France, and then she has some other garment fabrics here as well. Lots of different books. Really cute. I definitely encourage you guys to check it out. Jenny has a number of different offerings and activities, and there are people here that are working. She has an activity tonight where you can just kind of drop in and do different kinds of crafts. She even has a section called Take It or Leave It. And so if you have items at home that you're not using, including fabric or notions or other things, you can bring it here. Box full of patterns. I've actually made this dress a few times. It's one of my favorite patterns. I really love that. Really pretty quilt. And she has a couple sewing machines. So if you're coming to one of the events, you can actually just borrow one of her sewing machines, which is, I think, really freaking amazing. There's coffee and tea. I love the small things. It makes a huge difference. And then here is the long arm for quilting. And you can actually rent space here, rent time basically using that. So this is Handcraft Happy Hour. Definitely check it out. They are located in Baltimore. I will drop the link in the description below. I'll also drop the address. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure that you follow them on all of the different social media sites. Take care for now. My name is Bird. Oh, and if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe and like button. Take care for now.